Hi everyone, I'm Ben from SalesSPACE and this is another weekly tech tip. Today we're discussing how to track changes to your data inside Zoho CRM. So when we are working in the CRM, we've got lots of records and lots of data, and we might have multiple people working in our business that are constantly updating and changing that data. So there's times when we need to see exactly what has been changed and who has changed it and at what time. So there's an easy way to do that. So in here, I'm in CRM, I'm in a contact record here, I'm on Carly's contact record. Now at the top here you'll see this overview tab. So this is the default tab which has all your normal information here, and next to it is a timeline tab. So if we click on timeline, you'll see if we scroll down we've actually got a history of all the changes that have been made to Carly's record. Okay, so they start with the newest changes at the top down to the oldest changes. Okay, and so we can see here July 16, 158, this particular field was updated from false to true by Colin. Okay, this particular field was updated from blank to this particular number. Now on the 6th of September you can see we added a task, send Christmas card, and then here on the 7th of September you can see the first name was updated from Karen to Carly. Okay, the full name was updated and the email address was updated. So that's really important information to know. Okay, so perhaps the situation was that we spoke to this person on the phone and maybe we got their name wrong, so it was updated in the system at this point. But that's really important information to know. So you can see who did that, at what time, and the date, and exactly what changes they made there. Okay, so that's the changes to a contact record, but this timeline actually exists on most modules in here as well. Okay, so if we go on to this one, so this is a deal record. It's also got the timeline tab. I can click on this, and again you see the changes that have been made, so when the closing date was changed. And then this one you can see an email was sent, okay, and it was actually triggered by a workflow. Okay, so as well as seeing changes to the record, field changes, we're actually seeing workflows that ran which affected this record. So that's really useful to see if you've got some workflows and you're not sure why something has happened, but you suspect maybe a workflow has changed it or updated it. Just come in, check the timeline tab, and then you can see exactly which workflow ran and the changes that it made here. So I hope that's useful for you, and I'll speak to you next time.